Booyah, there it is. Finished bowl in better light. Plate, because I am freaking hungry. All I have some Special K this morning. So yeah, give me some more broccoli on that bad boy. I love broccoli. It's a beautiful, beautiful green. It's like it is my favorite green, flat out. So, yes, voila. Perfect serving size. And relatively healthy, 2 bitches. And delicious. And no, I'm not bringing any for the cats who know me at work. No, I'm not bringing any for y'all. Fuck y'all. Seriously, you sons of bitches. Oh, Lord. Now I'm going to be mean and make y'all watch me eat. Chopsticks, son. Yeah, because I really am that snobby. Mmm. 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 Huh. And of course, she's watching it all the time. It's like, dude, just drop a little. Give me some. You gonna get a little dog? Mmm. It's Amos's Guyanese fusion. I say Guyanese fusion. Guyanese fusion chicken chow mein. Thanks for watching. Or, complaining that you ain't get any. Hope you have a good day. Peace, Izzle. While I finish this plate.